Welcome to Tia's and Talia's Tasty Treats. I'm Tia.
And I'm Talia.
Today we are at Bob's Red Mill in Milwaukee, Oregon with cooking instructor Sophia. What are we making today, Sophia?
Today we are going to make some whole grain chocolate chip cookies. Sounds delicious, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so to start with, we're gonna do whole grain chocolate chip cookies, which is a little different than just like a regular chocolate chip cookie, which would normally have white flour in that. So whole wheat flour has 5 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber in each serving. And this is Teff flour. Have you guys ever cooked or heard of Teff?
No.
So these are the little seeds. It's actually the world's smallest seed.
It is?
It is, yes. And what we do is we grind it the same way we do the whole wheat. And then this also has a ton of fiber and protein as well. It also has a lot of iron, which is really beneficial for making healthy blood in our bodies. We all need it. Okay, so we're gonna start off by creaming butter and sugar. Alrighty, so I think that we are ready to mix our dry ingredients. You just want to make sure that the salt and the baking soda is totally mixed in. A little bit to get it. So one of the reasons we're also adding Teff flour is that it's going to soften the whole wheat. So whole wheat sometimes can come off a little, in baking, it can be a little tough. And so when you add Teff, which doesn't have gluten, it makes it softer, which means a chewy, delicious cookie.
It looks like all brown sugar.
Yeah. It's not far off.
It looks all brown sugar. That is so good.
Oh, I'm excited. I already went ahead and I made some earlier because these guys have to chill.
Why do you have to chill them?
Well, you have to chill them so that if we were to put them in right now, the butter would melt really quickly. And so it would just the cookies would just spread out and they wouldn't be as pretty looking. So we go ahead and we chill them for about 2 hours, or you can put them in the freezer if you have room. Okay, so we put a little finishing salt on the top, but this is this little flaky salt, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you think we put salt on top of a cookie, which would be really crazy to some people?
To make it more delicious?
Well, yeah, in a way, because what it does is it actually shows how sweet it is. Because salt and sweet are a little bit of opposites, so when you add a bit more, or they complement each other. So when you add some salt, it makes it sweeter. Pretty cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a little bit of science in cookie making.
I love salt.
And finally, the most important ingredient is love.
You know what? I baked some up earlier, so we don't have to wait for the finished product. Okay.
They look
Look
so
at that.
yummy. Cheers. So
You love it?
yummy.
All right. Sounds like they're approved.
Mm-hmm.
And look who is walking up, you guys.
Wow! Sophia, how are you?
Oh, we're doing great. We have Tia and Talia here, and we're making some whole grain cookies.
Oh, cookies! Oh, I love it. I'm a cookie eater.
Try it. It's really good.
Isn't that delicious?
And
Wow.
protein and fiber.
Whole grain cookies. You know, all that fiber in there is good for you. Yeah, really, really good. And it's so tasty with it this way. Gosh, that's good.
Thanks so much for having us.
Oh, thank you, guys. It's wonderful to have you here.
Please subscribe to our channel. Bye!
Bye.
Tomatoes, I love tomatoes.
Thank you. Take out the good part.
There. Okay. Thank you.